The TH sound is usually mispronounced as D or T. Say the following words.
Den, tin.
To correct the TH, put the tip of your tongue against the bottom of the upper teeth. Not the whole front of the tongue, just the tip. And put your hand on your vocal cords to feel the difference between the voiced and voiceless TH. Then.
Then.
Thin.
Thin.
Now say these voiced TH sounds.
This. Weather. Soothing.
And these with voiceless TH.
Think. Athlete. Healthy.
And now say these sentences.
This southern weather is soothing. I think the youthful athlete is healthy. The father was thoroughly enthusiastic.
That was smooth. Let's move on to the other sounds. To correct the TH, put the tip of the tongue against your upper teeth. Not the whole front of the tongue, just the tip. And put your hand against your vocal folds to feel the difference between the voiced and the voiceless TH. Then. Thin. Great. Let's continue.